How to find Chrome downloads on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your device and further open the file you want to download, and now go ahead and download the file. For instance, I will download this sample video. Now, wait for the download to complete, and once completed, go ahead and open the Files application on your device. Just in case, if you do not have the file application on your device, then you can easily go ahead and download the file application from the App Store. And now, once you have opened the Files app, go ahead and tap on the On My iPhone option there, and you will then see the Chrome option. Tap on that, and you will now be able to view the file that you just downloaded from Chrome. So, this is how you can find Chrome downloads on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.